Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Finally, let's have a look on the Bitcoin market, guys. Here you can see absolutely amazing performance, especially on the background recent Fed statement. So you can see it absolutely in no way making any harm to the performance of the Bitcoin. So actually it totally ignores the more hawkish comments from the Powell, or better to say not the comments, but the decision on the rate and actually total uncertainty that actually investors have heard after that on the press conference. So it's actually absolutely make no impact on Bitcoin performance and keep going higher. So on a higher time frame, on the monthly chart, you could see how situation develops after our analysis when we mentioned this grabber and said that it's actually a really big pattern for a short term. For a long-term period, and it's actually suggests at least taking out of the 110 top, but potentially could lead market to all-time XOP, it's around 127. So that's particularly what we are watching for here. On a weekly chart, market is not at overbought. Here we have great progress for the market. It has broken inside the previous consolidation. It means that space of this consolidation is right now open for the price performance and easily could keep going higher back to the top, whereas actually stands minor target, minimum target of the grabber on the monthly chart. So once again, around 110. On lower time frames, currently we see that we do not have any resistance levels here. It's actually free space, which makes relatively simple task for market to keep going higher. Breakout has happened of this last 618 resistance. You could see that the retracement that we mentioned last time, so we said keep watching, we were watching for 88, 88, 850, maybe some pullback before upward action will continue. It hasn't happened. So market turns directly to the straightforward upward action. So it means that currently gravitating to the intraday targets, and nearest one stands on the 4 time frame charts around 102.50. This is the XOP of our initial ABCD pattern. So if you remember, we started our journey with these hand shoulders. First was this target, then we were watching for a free drive, expecting some retracement. Free drive has shown pullback, but smaller than we thought, and actually we haven't got the retracement slightly lower to the major support area. So it was just here, and now market is going up again. It means that all big possible retracement now stands in the past. The only pullbacks might happen only inside of this swing, and market now is gravitating to this target. So this is nearest expectation. If you somehow do not have a long position, you would like to take it, you could watch for this chart, watching for some pullbacks. The nearest support area will be around 97, 97.50 maybe. So retesting of this previous tops. That's probably most evident area that Bitcoin could reach in the way of the retracement. This level stands, well, it's also a nice level, but it seems that it will be a bit too deep compared to the performance that we have, because in this case you can see that actually minor retracement already has happened here. In this case, market will have to erase it. It will be too deep and not quite reasonable in current market environment. So it means that in the current circumstances, I would be better to watch for retracement only to this level or even smaller one. So if you take a look on the recent upward swing, find the 30% support, it will be somewhere around 98.50. So 97.50, 98.50 is two levels to watch for if you would like to take the long position on the Bitcoin. Obviously, in the current circumstances, we are not considering any new shorts, at least until major targets will be reached. So that towards what we have.